Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitch with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, and that means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Oh my goodness. Let's flip it over. Now this package comes from NewCraftDay. Let me get you in the center here. Having a day. And now if they have any specials or any special discount codes, or if I have any special discount codes, that's going to go right in here, or and in the description box below. So let's get this out of its package and find out about it. All right, this is 150 long by 61 centimeters, and it is a silk project. It is an 11 count, and it was $35. Yes, and it is called Taeyong Family, and that means peach garden in Taiwanese, and it was named after the Taiwan, Taoyuan. That is a city in Taiwan, and the reason it's peach garden is because all of these peach trees were planted way back, and they had peach tree farmers. So that is the story and the history behind this. Wow. 600 stitches by 220 stitches. Oh, yeah. And it comes with a little sticker. We're just going to put that up there, out of the way. And we have a beautiful booklet. It says classical cross stitch on it, and I believe that classical cross stitch is what do you call it? Oh, help me here. Mona Lisa? Maybe somebody said that. So let's take a look at this booklet. And it seems to be, let me look, all folded up into one sheet. Very nicely printed though. Beautiful. And I think this is just straight cross stitch. Just gorgeous. So they have one huge giant page. Let's take a look at the back here. There is a better picture of it. It has 46 silk colors, and it is just straight cross stitch. There's no mixing colors or any other doodads, just straight cross stitch. Yay! Let me see what else is written down here. Nothing that we really need to know. You use 3 strands to embroider 2 strands. So, and the symbols here do not match the canvas. So let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness. Does come with an instruction page. Looks like the back of a Joy Sunday bag. Same picture. So how to start, how to finish. So if you're new with all this, see what is wrapped up in here. Oh my goodness. We have a full bag of extras. Aren't they beautiful? Look at how shiny they are. Just gorgeous. And we have a toolkit. Ah, everything's stuck here. So you got 1, 2, 3 needles. I'm assuming there's 2 more someplace else. Poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Let me set that aside, because sometimes they do that. I don't know why. Let me shake this out a bit. Let me, I don't see any needles offhand. Yeah, no. So let's look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. If I can get everybody to cooperate here. Look at those blues. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look on our list here before we look at these. Just a second. You have 310 black. You have 321, which is Christmas red to me. 500. Let's see. 666 red. No 823. No 939. You do have 3371, which is a dark brown. And anything else I recognize? 3865, which is your off-white. So, yeah. Okay, now we can look at the color. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There is your 321 and your 310. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. And they are slippery. And there's your 666 red right here on the end. Beautiful corals. Beautiful colors of greens. Kind of a grayish green. There's your 3371, I believe. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So you don't have too much of that 38, trying to get them all late, 3865, so that's a good thing. So that means the background is, I don't know if it's open or not. I haven't got that far yet, but look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. I just love the way they look. Just love it. Let me get that wrapped up here. It's going to have its own bag. Aren't those beautiful? You have some small ones, you have some big ones. That coral is just gorgeous. Look at those pinks for those trees. Oh, maybe that's why we only had one of 38. This is 3865 right here. Okay, so I lied. There's a little bit in there. But we'll find out here in a minute. Okay, gotta move things around here. Oh my goodness. And it is kind of a, excuse me, a stiff, but it's rough stiff, you know, so that one's the one that just crunches down very nicely. I do like that part. I don't know if I can get this. Let me have a second here. All right, I am back, and there are your other two needles. I'm going to put those up right now before I rake my hand across it. This has a nice, great, big, huge key. It is serged around the edges, except for this edge, and it has kind of a salvage edge. I won't be able to measure this, but it is very nicely printed. Let me just fold that once so that I can hold that up. Very well printed. It doesn't look too confettied at all. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, the sky, it's a full coverage. If I could just get it where it needs to be. Everything is filled in. So that 45 is 3865. So where you see yellow is that white. So very nice. I think I'd like to start on the flowers first. Not flowers, the trees. I'm thinking they're pink, they're flowers. Yeah, so maybe up in here somewhere. Just gorgeous. I can't get over how clear that is. And it is 11 count, so very, very nice. And I don't see any confetti. I got strings over here. I'm fighting. But yeah, it unfolds one more time. Just absolutely beautiful. But it is kind of wide. So I'll have to like do what I did with the other one. And I just kind of fold up maybe what is that, 10 to 12 inches of it, just so I can fold the rest of it like so, you know, to work in an area, and then I'll just move along. But very nice. Very nice. I am very impressed with this. Just beautiful, gorgeous colors. And I have like 3 of those, we'll call them, that I know of. We'll call them, not these precise, but I have the other wax ones too. I don't have one of those to show you. So I got plenty of this if I need it. But yes, it is going to be gorgeous. Just those pinks alone, just, ugh. And the background is not, it's bigger areas, so that's really nice. Sometimes I don't like how crowded it gets on the smaller areas when doing the silk. It's just makes it difficult to stitch. So yeah, just absolutely beautiful. I will not be able to measure this at all. Yeah, just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it folds up nice. We'll see, right? Oh my goodness. Now, NewCraftDay does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have silk products, and I believe they have Mona Lisa as well. Now, if I have any specials, or they have any specials, or I have any discount codes, begin in the beginning and in the description box. Oh, they do have custom as well, and they also have a separate category that lists the you know, like a separate drop down thing for Joy Sunday, Spring, Jin Lee, Yushu, and I can't think of it. Did I name them all? And Spring. I'm not sure about the Mona Lisa part, but yeah, there's separate little categories. So if you only like those kind of cross stitches, you can go immediately to it without having to go through everything. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for this beautiful, gorgeous canvas. I love it, and we will be starting this soon, so do stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.